What's good, YouTube? It's your boy back again with another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Launch Lizard VST plugin. What you basically need to do is you need to download the VST. I'll drop the website link, or I'll drop the plugin itself on. Just check the description for the link there. Yeah. So what you're going to do here is you're going to extract the folder. Bear with me, guys. My PC is very slow. So firstly you're gonna install. Click agree. Yeah, so once it finishes installing, what you're going to do is you're going to open FL Studio. After opening FL Studio, you're going to go to options and click manage plugins. So you're gonna say click find more plugins, and then the computer will automatically scan for the plugin. It will pop up somewhere up there. Wait for it. Put a star on the right click to add the plugin to your favorites list. Then you go to here, select the plugin. Click authorize. Okay, now you go back to the folder and open there's a keygen generator. You need to run this application and then select Launch Lizard. Yeah, copy that serial number, paste it right there. Then you click authorize again. Now what you need to do is click offline options, then you copy that challenge code, you paste it on that keygen generate, then you click generate. Then copy the response code there and authorize. That's about it, guys. And now you are ready to run your plugin. All you need to do now is test it and make sure that it's fully functional. Yeah. As you can see, it's responding when I press buttons, which means it's okay. But you need to make sure, because sometimes these things, they don't really work. Yeah, as you can hear, it's working. And guys, make sure you subscribe. For advanced tutorials, we need to firstly hit like 1k subs so I can run as nyana, now which I need to make money nyana. Yeah, so support me guys, subscribe. Once we hit 1k subs, I'm going to start making like giveaways, advanced tutorials. Yeah, I hope this video is going to help you guys, because many people are like struggling to install VST plugins. So I decided to like make a video about it so you guys can learn. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, or drop the link of the plugin.